The biggest takeaway is that you need to adapt yourself to the changing environment. I'm Saurabh Maheshwari from Ajmer, Rajasthan. I had a work experience of around 8 years in Mumbai, and I'm working with Synergy Capital as a finance manager over here. Lectures of Mr. Varun Jain are so helpful. You just get to understand the basics of the subject, and you can really deal with the questions that come across. The comprehensive question bank and the number of simulations that are there on our web portal, those are really sufficient and with a par level to get you through the exams. If you have a good practice and hands on with those, I think you can really achieve your dreams towards your CPA journey. The main thing is, learning every time. So that's the core thing that keeps me motivated. That's why I started my CPA journey.